Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for GRE. We have been solving GRE math problems out of this book here, the GRE Official Guide, the 4th edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. Today is our lesson number 23 and we are on page number 224. Problem number 4, as you can see, is on the blackboard. I'm going to go through the problem, then you do it yourself. We are told that x plus y has to equal to -1. Our job is to figure out which one is bigger, x or y. Go ahead, do it yourself. I'll give you a second to pause and unpause the video. Don't make it complicated, keep it simple. Just plug in some numbers. Let's plug in 0. When x is 0, y would have to be -1 in order for it to be -1. Y is -1. In this case, the answer is A. But what if you switch it? If x is -1, then y would have to be 0. If x is -1, then y would have to be 0. Now the answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Just switch them. Next one. Number 5. We are told that we have 3 consecutive odd integers. We have to pay attention. They have to be consecutive and they have to be odd. And we are told that R is less than S, which is less than T. Here is column A and column B. R plus S plus 1, S plus T minus 1. Go ahead, do it yourself. Let's see what we can do. Let's first simplify the bloody thing. Let's first simplify. I see an S here and I see an S here. Subtract S from both columns. It goes away. So we're dealing with R plus 1 versus S minus 1. Let's plug in some numbers here. They have to be consecutive, they have to be odd. How about we put in 3, 5, 7? 3, 5, 7. Let's see what happens. 3 plus 1 is going to be 4. And T minus 1, T is 7. Minus 1 is going to be 6. So the answer so far is B. Let's plug in one more time to be on the safe side. Let's plug in one more time, but this time we will plug in negative numbers. They have to be consecutive. So let's do negative. We go in the other order. We start with 7. -7 is less than -5, which is less than -3. Let's see what happens now. -7 plus 1 is going to give us -6. And -3 minus 1 is going to give us -4. Again, this guy is bigger. The answer is B. And therefore, the answer does not change. The answer is B. As you can see, the first time around the difference was 2. Here also the difference is 2. The difference is always going to be 2 between these two quantities. R plus 1 is going to be 2 less than S minus 1. Can you figure out why? And the reason is because they are consecutive. And because they are odd, the difference between R and T always is going to be 4. It's always going to be 4, the difference. T being the bigger one. If the difference is between R and T is 4, by the time you add 1 to it, now the difference is only 3. But then you subtract 1 from it, difference becomes 2. The difference is always going to be 2, no matter what you plug in. Second quantity always going to be bigger by 2. Let's do the next one. Problem number 6 is just as silly. It's a very simple problem. Problem number 6. Column A. We are told slope of line K versus column B. Slope of line L, and this is how the picture looks. There is line K. There is line K, and there is line L. As you can see clearly, the slope of line L is less than slope of K. Slope of K is bigger than slope of line L. There is nothing to do here. It's very straightforward. The line K is steeper. The answer is A. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye now.